We use it to try to triangulate how big problems are relative to the requirements we get. And so we often will try to use the Learning Manager discovery features to kind of see which types of thematic things are coming out biggest to combine with our analytics data for patterns and trends. And so this is one use case that we do is to triangulate. I think it identifies things we wouldn't have thought of. And so it allows us to activate on Adobe's test A/B testing tool, and it allows us to consider different types of attribution for audience creation. Integration with custom built data science models. That would be beautiful. Um, it isn't that like things like Sensei are not good. They're very good, but they're black box. And so if there's a suggestion that's given um, and it's wrong, it's not defensible. So if it allowed an open architecture or some type of integration with Python or R models, Jupyter notebooks, other kinds of things that would augment what it generates, that would allow a concept of challenger versus champion models to compete and to understand that that way you can almost like test yours against theirs and improve that way. Maybe seven. It's good if you have a good use case for that but you have to. I do know that you have to incorporate it in a process. In isolation, it's not. Um, you don't realize the full value, so you have to incorporate it in an overall improvement process. I would say the pro cases are marketing optimization with respect to campaigns. And I would say that the areas it's not well suited is in distilling attribution. So if you were to take all of the improvements that it's suggested, the numbers exceed revenue, which isn't real. But that's a hard problem to solve. Nobody's really solved that problem well. Um, so distilling the attribution piece would be good, and and it is well suited for marketing campaigns in the ideation phase of. It's helped us with geo-specific marketing. Now we have multiple branches in multiple locations, and we do a lot of acquisitions of other smaller banks. And so we use it to try to narrow down attribution of acquisition banks for ones that have complementary strategies to ours in gaps in financial services where maybe they're more a niche, but in our overall plan, it's better. So we use it for that. Um, yeah, I don't know that there's been another product. They were already using it like in beta or something when I started. So it predates my experience. I've been there 1 year. Internal by a group. I think it has high usability. So 8 out of 10. I would pay six or maybe seven. We don't do a lot with the integration on it. We have a particular way we consume it. So we haven't explored a lot of other options. Not sure. Yes. I wasn't involved in the purchase process. I wasn't involved. Yes.